The 2011 Chevrolet Colorado. Powered by a 2.9-liter four-cylinder engine. With a 4-speed automatic transmission with Overdrive, this vehicle, with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer, gets up to 23 miles per gallon. This Chevrolet features fog lights, dual front airbags, and four-wheel drive. Safety features include traction control, ABS, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include air conditioning and power steering. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.